A special type of long-term budgeting is for vacation planning. So if you think about it, it's something that you usually don't take spontaneous trips all the time, but you might plan for spring break or a summer vacation or going away to visit family for a wedding or something like that. So you have time to plan for it. There are lots of things that you need to think about when you are doing this. You need to think about your travel. How are you going to get there? Are you going to drive? Are you going to fly? Are you going to take the train? What is it that you are going to use to get there? You also want to think about your housing. Are you going to stay in a hotel? Are you staying with friends or family? Are you doing an Airbnb? You need to budget for those types of things. Your meals. Are you going to a conference and so your meals are all included except for your dinner? Or are you going to be bringing stuff back to the house and you're going to be making it yourself? Or are you going to have to go out for all of your meals? And then any other incidental expenses. Maybe you just want to have some extra money in case something comes up. You want to buy souvenirs or whatever the case may be. Those would be your incidental expenses. So here's an example. 2 friends are planning to visit Phoenix for a week. They're planning to fly and stay at an Airbnb. Their estimated expenses are listed below. Use this information to calculate the estimated cost per person. So we're going to find out what the total cost is for both of them combined, and then they're just going to split it evenly. So if I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the airfare. So I know that it's $223.70 per person, and this is round trip. If it was one way, then I obviously would want to double that. So this is going to be this times 2. So I know that they are spending $447.40 on airfare. The next thing they're going to do is they are going to do housing. So we have $67 per day, and they're staying for a week. So times 7 is going to give me $469. There's also another charge with this. They have to pay 6.5% tax. So we're going to go ahead and multiply this total, our 469, times 6.5%, so 0.065, because that's going to give us our tax. And so our tax is going to be a total of $30.48. Then they are planning $50 per day per person for their meals. So there's 2 of them traveling, so $50 per day for each of them. And then they are going for 7 days. So they are going to need to have $700 for the 2 of them. And then the last thing that they're doing is they are doing $10 per day per person. Again, there's 2 of them. They're going for 7 days. So they need $140. Then we're going to go ahead and we are just going to add all of this up to see how much they need in total. They need $1,786.88 total. And then if we wanted to figure out how much they each should save, we're going to take that total and we can go ahead and divide that by 2. So the estimated per person cost is $893.44. Again, they could go ahead and they could start budgeting. They could do that as a long-term budget or whatever the case may be.